Welcome back into the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. If you guys are looking to make a strike at capitalizing on the extreme fear in the markets right now because you've got to be greedy when others are fearful, then this could be the right video for you. So we're going to explore which meme coins could be worth compounding into and allocating a position into right now at the current time in this crypto market. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. If you want to hit those goals of yours in the crypto space, do subscribe to 99 Bitcoins down below and let's get on with it. So fear and greed, we're at 17, which is indeed extreme fear. That is absolutely crazy to see. Meme coins in the market are worth 36.6 billion right now. We are indeed seeing a large bounce for many meme coins out here in the cryptocurrency space. So yeah, lots of appetite. Big recovery, but hopefully it's going to be more than just a little sort of dead cat bounce, and hopefully it will be a true sort of onwards and upwards movement. Now, crypto bubbles, we are indeed looking green at the moment, which is absolutely wonderful. Not a single red candle here for us to even complain about. So things looking good. Now let's hop in to coin number one, which is going to be Doge. This is a brand new play to earn ecosystem about to hit $6 million raised, which is absolutely insane. So play Doge, the best play to earn Doge compounding game, is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to life as Tamagotchi. So one play token is $0.00526. In 1 day, 1 hour, the price does go up, but this is all about having a meme where it sort of meets play to earn as well. And it says Play Doge is a mobile game that combines the beloved Tamagotchi virtual pet experience with the cutting edge digital economy of cryptocurrency. It's got a decent roadmap. You can see here, phase 3 is going to have a marketing pump, the Play Doge app testing, first centralized exchange listings. It could for sure be a really big choice out here in the crypto space. 9.4 billion tokens, so 50% allocated for the pre-sale. Liquidity 11.5%, and marketing gets 10% to help push the coin overall. So what do you think of this vibrant, colorful token? It's really like a Tamadoge sort of throwback. I can really feel that. 78% per annum on staking rewards. So if you are looking to sort of compound into the project and get those staking rewards, could be an opportunity for you. Overall, really fun. You can see fun animations and graphics here, getting a lot of engagement and tweets. Anons, we're flying through the pre-sale. Grab yourself some play before it's too late. So this thing will launch soon for sure. And yeah, I really just love the artwork, the sort of grainy kind of old school, sort of just very sort of old school 8-bit sound and 8-bit graphics, and I think it's just fun. I think they're doing the marketing very right, and a coin like this has got good potential to explode. So check out the link down below for Play Doge if you want to grab some. You can buy it by connecting your wallet just like this, and fingers crossed we will see this coin do a 5 to 10x. Not financial advice, but check it out down below. Coin number 2 is a very interesting one, and it's just literally started trending massively on Google Trends. As you can see, Google Trends, its top G 1500 is trending on Google, looking very good. Now the coin overall is striking quite bullish, in fact very bullish. It's starting to pump again. Like, let me just refresh these charts because sometimes they like to do their own thing. Yeah, wow, yeah, look at that, 0.001957. This thing is just flying right now, and it could continue to go up. The reason this is so bullish is because it's a true story. It's a guy walking from the UK to Romania, so check out his Instagram, have a look at him, support his journey. He is blowing up, and he's got a coin called Top G 1500. If he meets Andrew Tate, which he probably is going to meet Andrew Tate at this sort of pace, yeah, this coin could absolutely fly. So 145k liquidity, 1.91 on the market capital, and I think it will keep on going up in price. It looks really good, especially with its trending here, as we can see. Now guys, this is of course a doxed and KYC'd one. The developer is known, his face is out there, as you can see. That's the guy right there. Tate's got 10% supply, and 7.5% of the supply actually goes to the developer, so he's openly admitted that, which is a pretty cool thing. You don't really get that sort of transparency in many places. Fingers crossed, going to get some good continuation with the Top G 1500 coin. Check out the link down below for this one as well. Now coin number 3 is another interesting one, which is indeed Base Dogs. Base Dogs is a new Solana meme coin, and by the way, all of these coins you can buy on the Solana ecosystem, so please do have a look. We know Sol coins do good, we know these cross-chain coins do good as well, and this is also a Solana coin as well, the Top G 1500, so it's always good to know this. Base Dogs, 2.8 million raised. This is coin number 3. They've got 32.4%. of the supply being staked in, which is absolutely crazy as well. The price of dogs is 0.0074 USD, and in 6 days the price will go up. This is your little dog just basically skydiving. They've got 956% per annum APY and staking rewards because he's just floating through the sky, and then boom, he hits the bottom, bam, and he bounces off this thing. So it's a meme coin. It's all a lot of fun. It's colorful. It's vibrant. And overall, I think it could be a good ecosystem that might have big odds of doing well in the future. You can see they have sold 545 million tokens, and a decent amount of the overall sold supply is being staked, and the overall percentage is 956.2% per annum right now. So it's a good opportunity to maybe make some gains there, but do remember those coins you put in can't be unlocked until 7 days after the pre-sale is live and trading. So base dogs, so yesterday was a wild ride. Did you make any gains? That face you make when you didn't buy the dip, and indeed that dip looks like it was quite fruitful if you did get in. You know, I was buying Ethereum at like 2.3k, and it was alright. I like my Ethereum at, you know, low costs. Coin number 4 is PiPie. Check out base dogs down below if you want to. 0.0 to the power of 61918. PiPie, its all-time high over the year was at a $150 million MC. It's corrected 70% down to 50 million. So with this in mind, we could see a good bounce from the current level and maybe some more onwards and upwards from here. That is what we would love to see over here, ladies and gents. PiPie is a pepe coin alternative. It's a red frog, and you can see they've recently partnered with Bybit as well to bring in more volume and liquidity and get more eyes on the project. But overall, this is a very fun ecosystem that could do well, and it's a bit of a plot twist on the original frog, you know, Matt Fury's original green pepe coin. Just before we leave, swift reminder that August and September aren't really traditionally very good months, so don't panic if these months are being rubbish. September could also be a bit sort of horrible. But to summarize the video, we had coin number 1 as Play Doge. The link is down below. Coin number 2 as Top G 1500. I'll also put the link down below for this one here. I really think it's looking quite promising. Coin number 3 is going to be the base dogs ecosystem. You can grab this one down below. You need your MetaMask hot wallet. And coin number 4 is PiPie as well. What do you think of this choice here? What do you think of these 4 coins? I'm bullish on, holding, and hopefully each one does very well. See you soon, guys, and thanks for watching this 99 Bitcoins YouTube video.